Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crowdfunding income from Kickstarter into tax tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by clearly defining your crowdfunding income from Kickstarter. Gather all relevant documentation, such as project funding summaries and financial statements. Log into your Kickstarter account and access your project dashboard. Locate the total amount raised through your crowdfunding campaign. Record the income for accounting purposes. Next, open your preferred tax tracking software or spreadsheet. Create a new entry specifically for your Kickstarter income. Label this entry with the project name and the funding period. Enter the total amount raised in the designated income field. If applicable, note any fees deducted by Kickstarter. Calculate the net income by subtracting any fees from the total raised amount. It's important to track any additional income related to the project, such as merchandise sales. Document all expenses associated with the project. This includes materials, shipping costs, and any promotional expenses. Ensure you retain receipts and invoices for all business-related transactions. Organize your records by date and category for easy access at tax time. Review your entries for accuracy before finalizing the report. Save your tracking file regularly to prevent data loss. It's also advisable to consult with a tax professional for personalized guidance. Consider setting reminders for any quarterly tax payments that may apply. Once done, ensure you keep all documentation organized for future reference. This process will help you maintain clear records of your income for tax purposes. Following these steps will set you up for smooth tax reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.